We're testing out firmware 1.6.29. I abbreviated real short. We have a lemon tree in a low situation. Did you know they had thorns? Look how big that thorn is. There's new leaves coming. You got some African violets. You have a pineapple that is growing. You got a pepper, a red pepper. It's going to be the third year being inside. You have a leaf from an African violet, a pear cactus. So, what we're going to go do now is head on outside. In the background, you see some canna lilies. I'm with the Tech external wireless mic that doesn't last forever, maybe 15 to 30 minutes. And I want to change over to maybe a small rig and give that a shot. Now I'm going to bring your attention right over here. What is that? Anybody know what that is? That is broccoli. It never took off. Maybe it likes cold weather. My greenhouse is back up. Inside the greenhouse, geraniums, and they're growing. Lettuce. It looks like onions. It looks like a carrot, and it looks like radishes. Well, what I am going to go do now, and this is right here, oregano, not oregano, arugula. I'm going to do what I like to do best, take a walk up the dangerous steps, and we're going to go look at the roof. I want to make sure the roof is in good condition, that I don't have to do any more work. So as I head up, the sun's going to be in your eyes and not mine, and it's a nice blue sky. I'll hold the camera this way. The problem with the version before 625 was that the sky somehow got over exposed, right? And it was blue, then it was washed out, overexposed, and sure enough, here it is. So I am pretty good. I'm happy I came up because I'm walking between the lines. I got to go take my gloves. They look like they blew away, and I need to put them back where they came off at. So here's my gloves. I'm going to put them back where they were. You know what's amazing? Right up ahead is a spider's web. I am about where you're supposed to be. Is he in focus? He's in and out of that distance. Let's do one of these. Let's take a photo for you and see what the photo would do. I think what I am going to do is get rid of some of the quick switches and just make it on video and photo. I don't use anything else. I'm going to go real close up to the spider. And you let me know if he's in focus or not, and I apologize for the wind blowing. That's really going to ruin the shot. I am about 4 inches from him. Let me get a little closer. Hopefully the wind won't blow. How's that? Is that spider really in focus? He's like an inch from the glass. I should go get my Ulanzi OA5. Let me hit him. Ooh, how was that? Look how big he is. Dead center, that's where they love going. Now, you tell me how you like the camera. I love it. I just don't love the sky at times. If it's this blue, it shouldn't be exposed to a whiteness. Well, you know what blue has in the sky? It has white. And that's why maybe it's overexposed. Well, let me do a 180-degree turnaround for you so the sun could get in your eyes. What the Osmo Action does today, it does little spots, especially at nighttime, that GoPro doesn't do. I like my Osmo action. I'm up here for a reason. I got to see if I can knock down a branch. There are 2 branches on my tree. And let me go back over here for you. And right there is a dead branch. I just want to make sure that branch there doesn't fall down on anybody. Safety is first. Is it safe for me to go get my stick and try to knock it down? I think I will. All right, I'm still got myself. All right, I got my stick up. Get myself nice and comfortable. See what I can do. I can reach it. And that's about as far as I can go, maybe a little bit more. Give a little bang. Give a little bang. That's it. I don't want to reach any further than that. I got the branch broken. And I'd rather be safe than hurting something down below. There are a couple more up there, but it is what it is.